Yikes! I just cashed out $26,491.37. Did I make this money selling online courses? No. Launching my online store to sell products? Heck no. Have you seen the news lately? The economies around the world are showing signs of recession. The stock markets are crashing every day. With the ongoing Ukraine-Russia war and the rising tensions between China and the US, even a 10-year-old could have warned us of the impact it was going to have on Wall Street. But again, whenever these markets go down, the gold market goes up. And that's where I made all this money recently. Yes, I have successfully built a completely set and forget system that once activated sends me over $15,000 every month. 100% hands-off without any tech skills, simply set and forget. Click the button below to get GolddRush and all of the exclusive bonuses at the lowest price right now, today. I'll see you inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products and training courses, and of course generally anything that will help you make money online. Today I have another amazing product, another amazing software from the great affiliate Venkataramana, and this one is called GolddRush. GolddRush is going live on the 12th of July 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you, which I believe is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. And this very great software in a nutshell is an affiliate marketing training kind of that is going to help you actually get making affiliate commissions online. It says that it's an underground affiliate that are grabbing 1,500 to 50,000 from this gold and silver affiliate commissions every month, totally hands-free. This is what this product is all about, where you stand between a creator of a digital software like this one, and of course between that and the people who are out there called audience and traffic who eventually patronize some of these offers online. So basically you are standing between the producer of a product and the buyers out there in the digital world. This is basically what this product is all about, a crazy affiliate marketing commission based program that is going to help you make money online. And of course, if this is one that you will require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely take you to the sales page of this great software where we are right now. And of course, if you stick with me, I will also show you the very VIP training area for this one. This is the dashboard area, the VIP training area, which we are going to talk about in a very short time. But for now, let us see the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. I have 7 crazy bonuses that are made up of over 1,022 bonuses in all. So you have absolutely no excuse not to get these, and of course be able to make use of these great softwares that I have for you as my amazing bonuses. Now let us take a look at some of these very great bonuses that I have for you. My bonus number 1 is a unique and beginner friendly spin on push button profits, and it's called Latitude. This was a product that is based on NFTs, and of course making money using the NFTs. My mentor Jonah Armstrong at some point did this very product, and of course you have the A to Z training with this one on how to make money with NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens that are ruling the cyber world today as long as making money online is concerned. So that's the bonus number 1 that I have for you. My bonus number 2 definitely will have to be TweetX. TweetX shows you how to crack the Twitter traffic, and of course it's a Chrome extension that is going to be extended there on Chrome network for your computer website. And of course you'll be able to use this very Chrome extension to automate traffic to any offer of your choice, including affiliate links like this GolddRush tool that is going to offer to you now. So it's like a very great one for you. And my bonus number 3 will be the insurgency. This gives you the complete training A to Z from scratch on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is ruling the world, and insurgency gives you an adequate knowledge on how to actually make use of the Facebook ads to maximize your commissions on the affiliate marketing space. That's my bonus number 3 for you. I guess my bonus number 4 should be, let's see, bonus number 4 would be the lazy traffic sniper. And this one gives you access on how to get free buyer traffic to your offer, free of charge, organic buyer traffic that is going to be there for you using this very lazy traffic sniper to actually snipe traffic from different sources, and you'll be able to use this very training. It's a training, a complete training to actually get going with affiliate marketing. So you have basically nothing to worry about if you really need to study. I'm giving you some of this software. A lot of them are still selling on the Warrior Plus platform, JVZoo platform. You'll be able to see the pricing and see what you have here free of charge from me. My bonus number 5 should be JavaScript commission board. And this one is going to teach you how to make 4-figure daily commissions. You know what that means, making 4-figure daily commissions. That means you're making a lot of money on a daily basis. And of course, there are affiliates who make even more than this very figure. And of course, this very JavaScript commission bot is going to teach you a complete training course that is going to teach you how to do so yourself. My bonus number 6, I guess, will be the lockdown formula, which is another complete package of a software that is going to teach you on A to Z training on how to actually make money digitally from your home or from anywhere. Even when you are on the flight flying, money is being made on the background for you. This is going to teach you from A to Z, beginning to end, from scratch to scaling your monthly income. This is going to teach you. It's called a lockdown formula, which was what made a lot of people know how to do digital marketing today during the lockdown of 2020-2021 because of the corona pandemic. Okay, so this was when this product came out by Juno Armstrong and Dawood Islam, and this is going to be yours free of charge. My bonus number 7 is where we have been waiting for. You have over 1,000 different digital marketing tools in this very box called the Commissions Toolbox. So you have over 1,000 tools to improve it on your marketing, including anything you want to think of. You have it in this very Commission Toolbox with crazy amount of instrument that you're going to use at your disposal. And now all these buttons will give you access to any of these very bonuses you have there. So I don't know what else you are going to get anywhere else that will be better than these very bonuses that I have arranged for you. When, like I told you, you click the link below in my description area, it will bring you to the sales page. On the sales page, you will always locate some of the buttons that will take you to my very Warrior Plus account. When eventually you click any of the buttons that I'm going to show you, like this one, this golden button, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. When you do buy this product, under your purchasing history, you are going to find a page that looks exactly like this one that you are looking at now. Under your own purchasing history on my Warrior Plus account, at the point of buying this product, you'll be able to find a button like this that gives you access to the GolddRush instrument. And of course, here you have this blue one giving you access to the amazing bonuses that I have just shown you, and those will be yours free of charge. And with that said, let us actually take a little look at the very dashboard area, the training area. Here you have the video that is going to put you through on how this product is structured, and this is called the training, the VIP training. Here you have the button for research in case you need to research anything like domains, keywords. This is where you get that very connection. And here you have the connect, which is add a website, hosting and affiliate programs, which will give you the opportunity to embed your affiliate links. And here you have your posts, which means you will be able to post whatever you want. And here you have the adverts, and here you have the posts, of course, which you want to, of course, use to actually make those affiliate links available for people you want to post it to. And of course, here you have the advert area, register and login. And of course, you have all the upgrades and the very support in case there is anything. You also have access to the support. So this is basically what this training is all about, teaching you from scratch how to do affiliate marketing from some of the best in the business. And with that said, let us take a look and scroll together through the sales page so that you see what you have as access to this very one at your convenience. You'll be able to have access to this and be able to see if this is going to be for you. It actually has 3 basic steps as usual. Step number 1, turn on GolddRush on your phone or your computer. No skills or technical whatever required. Step number 2 definitely will be click and create a done for you gold and silver website, attracting millions of visitors every day with their secret traffic system. And bonus, and of course, step number 3 will be you get paid 15,000 thereabout every month, totally hand-free, no expenses, so everything is pure profit. So this is basically what the Venkataramana, the creator of this one, is telling you. And of course, if it is possible, I may be able to add the very demo video to that demonstration for you, but I believe you'll be able to find a copy of that when you eventually log in on the members area. Okay, now this is basically what you have as some of the proven incomes and the testimonials for this very product. For people who are beta testers of this, you will be able to read through all this at your convenience and see if making up your mind is going to be one you need to do with the look on this very sales page, which is going to be, of course, yours. And like I told you before, if you are interested in making money using the affiliate marketing system, which is actually 370 billion annual turnover business, you'll be able to use this very instrument to do that. And I encourage you to actually do so, because myself, I receive such commissions on a regular basis, and so you can replicate the results. Now at your convenience, like I told you, you will be able to go through this for yourself. And now let us take a look at the pricing for this one. The front end price for this very product goes for $17, and it gives you access to this very members area, the software itself. And here you have, of course, the OTO number 1, which goes for $39, and you will experience GolddRush without limits, and it will create unlimited campaigns and unlock unlimited capabilities on everything inside your account. This means if you get this for this price, it's always advisable to get the unlimited version for $39 so that you have everything covered. Now you have the OTO number 2, which will give you access to the done for you version of this that goes for $197. And of course, you know what that means. Everything is done for you. Now, OTO number 3 will be $39. It's called the automation, and it will be able to use the automation system of GolddRush to actually automate this business in a way that 24/7 you are out there making money even when you are sleeping. OTO number 4 will be the overnight traffic. It goes for $197, and then they will be able to send you 5,000 to 10,000 extra visitors from their own regular traffic. Okay, that's for you. OTO number 4 is that, right? Yes. OTO number 5 for GolddRush will be $39, and it's 1 hour profits. OTO number 6 will be the GolddRush reseller, goes for $39, and this will allow you to sell GolddRush and keep 100% commission across the entire funnel. And OTO number 7 will be the GolddRush bundle. It goes for $39 as well, and that one will give you access to 4 incredible apps for a one-time low price. That's basically what you have as pricing for this one, and you will be able to definitely make use of all this information when you get to the very sales page that I showed you. Now, with that said, we are going to round up on this very one. Let me take you through the very bonuses that I have shown you that are coming from me. 1,000 tools in a commission toolbox will be yours. And here you have, of course, the lockdown formula, a complete training and software itself. And you have of course, the JavaScript bot commission bot is going to give you access to 4-figure daily commissions. And here you have the lazy traffic sniper that gives you access to free buyer traffic. And you have, of course, the insurgency, which teaches you how to actually make money using the Facebook ads. And here you have, I believe, my number 2 bonus, that will be TweetX, that gives you access to make money with the Twitter traffic. And here you have, of course, Latitude, that teaches you how to make money using the NFTs. Okay, so that's basically what you have as long as my bonuses are concerned. And of course, you can get these bonuses anywhere else. For that reason, I will encourage you, if you are new to my channel, to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications, and I will definitely come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, is goodbye, guys.